Hello, and welcome back to Spark of Vintage. Today, we're doing just a quick little project using a small cardboard box that was in my stash. I love these because they can take quite a bit of moisture, and you can find them quite often at TJ Maxx and Marshall's or any of the stationery stores. I covered the book with heavy black gesso from Finnabar, both inside and out, because I'm going to decorate the potion book both on the cover as well as on the inside. I poured this mold from one of Finnabar's mannequin molds, and then also the hat was made from a candy mold. So, again, you can always look for those silicone molds that do chocolates and candies and use them in your projects as well. Once the mold had dried, I reapplied some more black gesso just to cover up any glue marks and to also put a coat of gesso on the resin piece. Once the piece was completely dried, I had a surface that was ready to add some of the metallic wax. I used bronze and a little bit of the fire ruby to give some dimension to both the face and the hat of the witch as well. In addition to that, I used dragonfly glaze just on a slight touch on the eyes of the witch, just to give it that look like there was some life behind there. Once all the wax was applied, you could see a little bit of the definition, and it was time just to add a little bit of sparkle and magic on the inside using some holographic glitter paint from Martha Stewart that I know I have had in my stash for years. But I love the way this looks on black, and it was a perfect background for the potion book. I added a little bit of the rub-on transfers in the gold, gilded gold from IOD. But the best part of this is you can fill these little trinket boxes with as anything that your imagination can come up with. I made little potion bottles, just clipped together pieces of ephemera from Tim Holtz, just anything I could think of that would add a little mystery to the box. My little bottle there was just made of distilled water, a little touch of isopropyl alcohol, and some mycopowder. Everything else just came from my Tim Holtz ephemera collection, the ideology. I use little clips and little pieces of just trinkets, ephemera. You can put little sticks, anything in there that adds a little mystery. I love these little resin mushrooms that he came out with several years ago. And no spooky book would be complete without a mysterious key. And I also made a little witch's calling card to go with her booklet. All in all, it was a fun project and something quick that I could do and use up some of my leftover ephemera. Well, that's it for now, but thank you for watching, and we'll see you again next week at Spark of Vintage.